Is it that when you are working in gym, when you are doing gym workout, it brings a lot of frustration, irritation, anger, making you feel very hot? Is it the situation with you that you're pushing very hard in the gym, but at the end of the day, you feel very frustrated? And have you felt like after doing this gym, some inner emotional turmoil is going on and some frustration and some internal pressure you are feeling? If this is so, you are not alone. It is because of your Prakriti. Let's see what are the precautions that we can take in gym if we have Pitta body type. This is Dr. Shinagi, Ayurveda medicine doctor and also Isha Hatha yoga teacher. So today in this video we are going to talk about how Pitta body type should go in gymming and what are the workouts they should choose. But before we explain this, it's very important first we know what is Pitta body type. Pitta body type means, as you know, our body is made of 5 elements, and Pitta Dosha, according to Ayurveda principles, it is made of fire element and air element. So these two elements, that is Panch Mahabhuts, among Panch Mahabhuts, they are more in Pitta Dosha. So these two elements combine to form the Pitta Dosha. So anybody who has Pitta Prakriti, that is who has body constitution more of fire element and air element in them, there is a tendency that they will feel hot all the time, anger is their weakness, skin issues are very often, and inflammation related issues. But there are good traits also. They are very determined, they are very focused, they are very ambitious and competitive. So what is the best time for them to do the workouts? The best time for them to do the workouts either in the early morning or in the evening. What kind of workout they should approach, though your gym instructor will tell you what kind of workout you should prefer, but if you're going to the gym that where nobody is guiding and you don't have any idea, then if you know your Prakriti, that is Pitta body type, then you go for those workouts which are more of strengthening workouts like swimming, cycling, mainly strength training. With how much strength they can do the workout? They can do moderate to max strength workout, but with mindfulness. Like don't overexert because it will enhance a lot of heat in your system, and don't do minimal because it will not make your muscle strength. Make sure whatever gym, if you're Pitta body type, whatever gym place you will choose, there should be it should have proper ventilation, because Pitta body type people, they have tendency to gain heat. They quickly gain heat. Their heat enhance very quickly once they start doing workouts. Try to do practice with non-competitive mindset, not because if other person is doing that much, I will also do this much. This is a tendency of Pitta body type people, but you just focus on your own strength and on your own mindset and on your own needful things. Please try to avoid this competitive spirit, because Pitta people have a tendency to have competitive spirit. Before doing gym practice, it's better to take shower to cool down your system, and meditation and these calming practices are very, very beneficial for them. If you are doing workouts, prefer not to do your workouts, especially for Pitta people, when there is mid sun, like in afternoons after having food, because you already have a tendency to have high heat in your system, and when the temperature is also at very hot weather, that time try to avoid workouts. The best time for you to do workouts is either in the evening or in the morning. Try to avoid overuse of spices if you are using too much gym workout, because with gym workout already your heat has been enhanced, and if you take too much spices along with that, like in food, once you come back home you are taking a lot of spices, then it will enhance the heat in your system more, which can lead to acidity, ulcer, gastric ulcer, peptic ulcer kind of problems. Whenever you have excess heat in the system, this will result to these issues. That's why for Pitta body type people, we recommend eat enough amount of fruits and a lot of salads, so that the heat that got enhanced in your system, it will become balanced with the use of fruits and sprouts and salads. And try to avoid excess use of spices. Little bit spices you can use, but if you are doing a lot of workout, try to avoid excess use of spices. So these are the simple things that you need to take care if you're Pitta body type people and enjoy your gym workouts. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're watching me for the first time, there is a bell icon, there is a subscription button. Please click the bell icon, hit the subscription button so that you stay in tune with our upcoming videos. Also, if you would like to support us, there is a join button near subscription button. You can click this join button and you can support us. Those of you who want Ayurveda consultations, please write to me on this given email ID. I will let you know how we can schedule it. So with this note, I would like to say stay healthy, stay blessed, take care. Bye.